This is the new Airsoft hand grenade. The way this works, there's baking soda inside. You fill it up about halfway with water. And you put the BBs in. About 100 BBs. This is the primer. There's a cap on the end. Opening the cap, you can see the citric acid inside. Squeeze it on tight. Put the cap on top of the grenade. Shake it up real good. You can carry that around with you. When you're ready to detonate it, you pull the pin to show how. You push the plunger, shake it. Now forget that.
What'd you do? It's not firing. You're kidding me. Put it in the holster. Ah! Miles? Try.
I know I got him. That was a grenade. How many are out?
I didn't get hit.
Yeah, blew up everywhere.
We're good.
Yeah, we're great.
I didn't hear it. It just goes boom.
Look at that thing.
I guess it's reusable.
Lethal.